All right, what's up guys? My name is Connor with South Bay Hyundai, and we'll be taking this all new 2026 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy all-wheel drive on a spin. And I'll be showing you guys the drive modes. Unfortunately, you can't do the terrain modes other than that because we're in Southern California and we only have the beach and it's illegal to drive on the beach, but I'll be able to show you all the sport, eco, and my drive modes 100%. All right, so for the different drive modes, we'll be starting on Eco. What that's gonna help you do is save more mileage on your full tank. It's gonna lessen the sensitivity on your acceleration just so to maximize the miles on your car. And by the way, yeah, the car feels, it's a big size car, but still feels very light. Has over 300 horsepower, so still has that power. And yeah, just an overall smooth ride. Perfect. Over here. Yeah, so perfect for family outings. My mom personally has a Palisade Calligraphy. Fits all of us. Right, I'm 6'1", brothers are 6'3". Still all fit in the car with plenty of space. Plus, if you're lugging a lot of things around, like I said, has a lot of horsepower, so could tow up to around 4,000 pounds. So carrying other things in the car, no problem at all. All right. All right, one of my favorite features is definitely that 360 camera, blindside camera. We'll see it again right here. But yeah, the blindside camera allows you to not crank your neck anymore. I mean, it is a big car now, so definitely take some time to move your neck around to see over the kids' faces and all the space. So the camera being right there, perfect for visibility. Putting this shade down, you forget how nice that suede feels in that Calligraphy. Such a nice, luxurious finish to this car, especially with the peanut butter on the black. Man, you really can't beat that color combo. Alright, so we'll kick it into sport mode here after this turn. Hopefully there's a little bit of space. Don't tell my manager I'm doing this, but just want to show you guys the power of the car. So to change your drive modes, you'll see here on the left hand side, you can click this button to change in between the drive modes and the terrain modes. So whichever one's highlighted, that's when you're scrolling through. So you'll just press this, scroll through this button right here, and you'll see you have Eco, Normal, Sport, and My Drive. So we'll be on Sport. You also notice the dash will change. And what Sport is gonna do is gonna allow you to have a little more sensitivity on that acceleration and also tighter steering. So we'll let these folks go right now and then try to give them some space so we could give it a little flooring. Okay. Go here. Let some space go. Yeah, and already barely touching the gas and it's moving. All right. So lots of traffic here as expected, but we'll try to go onto a side street and show you what it looks like with a little bit of foot on the metal to the, forgetting the saying, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. So make a right here. The street should be a little more empty. We'll let that car go there, and we'll see what the 0 to 60 action's looking like, or at least 10 to 40 or 50. So yeah, that was me still barely even putting my foot to the pedal. And even like up this hill, right? Give him some go. You even hear that engine roaring, that V6. And all of its 300 horsepower. And we'll go back onto the lot right here. All right. Smooth turning as well, of course. And then the one last drive mode we didn't do was the My Drive. So My Drive actually gets you the best of both worlds. So if you like the tight steering from the Sport, but the easygoing acceleration from Eco mode, you could customize that all on your My Drive, or vice versa. If you like the nice acceleration, but the smooth, loose steering, you could do that as well. All right. And also, showcase the backup camera. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Reverse into this spot right here. So when we go in reverse, obviously you get your aerial view, you get your traditional parking view, but here as well you could also go to your 360 view, where I see all around the car, which is sick. And then also you have different views in your rear view. Obviously your blind side views, your panoramic view, underneath view, but we'll stick to the traditional one. And guys, I never realized this, but the predictive lining really helps out a lot. So as long as you like line those up within the parking spot, like that for example, your car will literally go within the lines. Just like that, and just follow the line, straighten out. And just like that, you have a perfectly parked vehicle. All right. All right, guys, thank you for coming with me on this test drive. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and come on down to the dealership so we could take a personal test drive in your all-new 2026 Palisade Calligraphy all-wheel drive.